In our modern world, electricity has become an integral part of our daily lives, powering everything from our homes and businesses to our gadgets and appliances. We rely on it to stay connected, stay productive, and stay comfortable. However, there are times when the flow of electricity is disrupted unexpectedly, plunging us into darkness and uncertainty. During such moments of crisis, emergency electricians step in as unsung heroes, ensuring that the lights are back on and safety is restored. The importance of emergency electricians. An emergency electrician is a trained professional who specializes in responding to electrical issues that require immediate attention. These issues can range from power outages and electrical fires to malfunctioning circuits and exposed wires. Unlike regular electricians who may work on planned projects and maintenance tasks, emergency electricians are on call 24/7 to address urgent situations. One of the primary reasons emergency electricians are crucial is their ability to handle situations that pose serious risks. Electrical problems can lead to fires, electrocutions, and other hazards that put lives and property in danger. Immediate response and expert intervention can prevent these situations from escalating and ensure the safety of everyone involved. Skills and expertise. Emergency electricians are highly trained professionals with a deep understanding of electrical systems and a wide range of troubleshooting skills. They can quickly identify the source of an issue, assess the extent of the damage, and implement effective solutions. Their expertise covers a broad spectrum of tasks, including power outages. When a sudden blackout occurs, emergency electricians work to identify whether the issue is localized to a particular building or a larger area. They then work to restore power safely and efficiently. Electrical fires. Electrical fires can be catastrophic if not addressed promptly. Emergency electricians are trained to handle these situations, ensuring that the fire is extinguished and the underlying electrical problem is resolved. Faulty wiring and circuits. Malfunctioning wiring and circuits can lead to a range of issues, from flickering lights to frequent electrical trips. Emergency electricians can diagnose and repair these problems, preventing potential safety hazards. Storm damage. Severe weather can wreak havoc on electrical systems, causing power disruptions and damage. Emergency electricians are equipped to handle storm-related electrical issues and restore normalcy. Safety inspections. In some cases, emergency electricians are called in for preventive safety inspections. They assess electrical systems for potential risks and recommend necessary repairs or upgrades to ensure the well-being of occupants. Response time and availability. The hallmark of an emergency electrician is their swift response time. When a crisis occurs, time is of the essence, and having a professional on site quickly can make all the difference. Emergency electricians are typically available around the clock, including weekends and holidays, ensuring that assistance is just a phone call away whenever disaster strikes. Emergency electricians are the unsung heroes who work tirelessly to restore power and safety during moments of crisis. Their expertise, quick response times, and dedication to their craft make them invaluable assets to our communities. By ensuring that the lights stay on and electrical hazards are minimized, these professionals play a critical role in safeguarding lives and property. The next time you find yourself in the dark due to an unexpected electrical problem, remember that there are skilled emergency electricians ready to bring back the light and peace of mind.